Think you need a DSLR camera to get true-to-life whites and colors in your photos? Not anymore. With how good phone cameras have become, you can nail your colors and capture bright whites in your images. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to eliminate those frustrating blue and yellow tints using only the Adobe Lightroom mobile app on your phone. Hey guys, Tawny of Replica Surfaces here. We recently talked about some basic tricks for instantly better photos in our recent phone photography video, and we gave you a quick peek into using the camera function in Adobe Lightroom. Now we're going to talk about one of those functions in depth. In this video, you'll learn exactly how white balance affects your photos, how to capture a target neutral with a gray card, and we'll talk about how to white balance while editing in Lightroom. So let's dive in. When you're using a phone camera, you're going to want the most neutral, natural, or artificial light you can to ensure your white balance needs little to no manipulation during your post-processing. This means less time editing and more time doing the things you love. You're going to want to set up your scene before you do anything on your phone. Replica Surfaces makes setting up and cleaning up so easy. After you've set up your staging area, subject, and props, you'll want to open up the Lightroom mobile app and tap the little camera icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open up the camera. If you want a little more control over your phone camera settings, using a third-party camera app like the one in Adobe Lightroom might be an excellent option for you. The Lightroom camera has the ability to adjust settings in a DSLR-like fashion and is a great way to increase the quality of your images. As an added bonus, you can just edit away as soon as you finish shooting without switching between the apps. More time saved. Next, you'll want to choose the camera mode. This is located next to the shutter on the left. You're going to want to select the Pro mode in order to use all of the DSLR-like camera functions. From this menu, you're going to want to find the button that says WB with a little eyedropper below it. There are other settings here that you can choose from. Have fun experimenting with these to see if one of them works for your lighting conditions. We're going to select the last option in this white balance menu, which is also an eyedropper and is the custom white balance within the Adobe Lightroom camera. This is where you'll capture a photo of your gray card. This will be used for calibrating the correct white balance based on your particular light situation. Now you're going to want to hold your gray card in front of your camera and fill the area. Take a photo of the gray card with the card in focus. We'll call this the target neutral photo. And guess what? That's all it takes. Now your white balance is set and you can take a photo of your scene like you normally would. The camera will correct the whites and the colors to look more true to life. Remember, all phones and cameras are different, so this is your excuse to do some digging and really get to know your settings. While you're digging through your settings, take some time to determine when your natural light is the most neutral if you use natural light to illuminate your scene. I highly recommend setting up a scene and taking a photo of your light every hour from 8 a.m.-ish to 5 p.m.-ish to find the best light for your situation. Your light may change depending on other factors like the time of year and whether there's any cloud cover during the time of day that you're shooting. Comparing these hourly photos will help you discover a time when the light looks the closest to neutral. For a more in-depth discussion of natural light, check out our natural lighting video next. Now that your white balance is as good as you can get it, it's time to edit in Lightroom. Always keep in mind that editing should be about enhancing an already great photo. You shouldn't rely too heavily on Lightroom for all of your fixes when you can absolutely nail your image as soon as you click the shutter by white balancing in camera, by using the custom white balance, and using neutral light. Now we're going to focus on how to use the eyedropper tool to put the finishing touches on your white balance. This tool is so helpful in the event that you may have forgotten to calibrate your white balance during your photo shoot. Locate the color menu in the main editing panel along the bottom of your screen. After you select the eyedropper, it will turn into a little crosshair tool. It will automatically select whatever target neutral is selected when you remove your finger from the touchscreen. Basically, just keep tapping until you find a white balance that looks the best to your eyes. Typically, this is going to be some sort of gray tone in your photo. And that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, hop over to our VIP group on Facebook and let us know what you think about this video. I am slightly biased, but it is such a wonderful community full of helpful photographers, thoughtful bloggers, and small business owners, and so many more wonderful individuals who are willing to share knowledge and support. I would absolutely love to hear what you guys want to see us cover in future YouTube videos, so let us know what you want to see in a comment below this video. We'll catch you here next week.